Welcome back to Gokuldas Public School online classes, and my lecture is for classes 3rd, 4th and 5th. Myself, this is Ranjana Kaushal, and today's topic is multiples and factors. What is my today's topic? Multiples and factors. This topic is new for class 3rd. Okay, so listen carefully. My topic is multiples and factors. You have listened the word multiples, no? You have listened the word multiply. So multiply and multiples both are relatively same. So first I will explain you what is multiples. So what is multiples? Multiples means the table itself. For example, you have told if to write the multiples of 2. So the multiples of 2 will be the table of 2 itself. That is the first multiple of 2 is 2. The second multiple of 2 is 4. The third multiple of 2 is 2 into 3 is 6. The fourth multiple of 2 is 2 into 4 is 8. That means what is the multiple? Multiple means the table of number itself, or in other words we can also write it as multiple of a number is equals to a number. A number for what we are writing multiple into counting number. Counting number means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly, we can write the multiple of any number by multiplying it by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Suppose I am writing the multiple of 2. Here I am writing the multiple of 2 and here I am writing the multiple of 3. Okay, so I am writing 10 multiples of 2 and here I am writing 10 multiples of 3. So what is the first multiple of 2? 2 into 1, that is 2. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. So these are the first 10 multiples of 2. Now I am writing here first 10 multiples of 3. So what are the first 10 multiples of 3? The first 10 multiples of 3 will be the table of 3 till 10. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Okay, 3 9s are 27 and 3 10s are 30. So these are the multiples of 3 and these are the multiples of 2. Now what is the meaning of common multiples? Common means the thing that is the number that is common in both the multiple of 2 and multiple of 3. The number that come in the table of 2 also and the number that occurs in the table of 3 also. That is known as common multiple. Now I am writing here in the middle. What I am writing here? Common multiple. Common multiple of 2 and 3. So what is the common multiple between 2 and 3? So compare. 2 is there? No. 3 is there? No. 4 is in the table of 3. 6 is in the table of 2 also. 6 is in the table of 3 also. The common number between the common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. There will be more common multiple. So let's check. Next is 9, but 9 is not in the table of 2. Next is 12. So 12 is in the table of 3 also. 12 is in the table of 2 also. So another common multiple between 2 and 3 is 12. Is there more common multiple? Yes, 18 is there in table of 3 and 18 is there in table of 2 also. So how many common multiples are there? Only we have written first 10 multiples of 2 and 3, and in these first 10 multiples of 2 and 3 we find 3 common multiples. So in this manner we find the multiple. Now my next topic is, what is my next topic? My next topic is factors. factor. First off, what is the meaning of factor? A factor is a number. A factor is a number which divides the given number without leaving any remainder. That means the remainder will be 0. Again I am repeating. Listen carefully. A factor of a given number is a number that divides the given number without leaving any remainder. For example, if I divide 27 divided by 3, okay, 27 divided by 3. So 3 divide 27 fully and remainder will be 0. That means 3 is a multiple of 27. Okay, 3 is a multiple of 27. So in this manner we can find the factor by dividing the number, and if remainder is 0, that means the number by which you are dividing the given number is the factor. And another definition is also there of factors, that if we are multiplying two number, for example we are multiplying 2 and 3, so the result we are getting, that is 6. So that 6 is known as product. If we multiplying two number, then the result is known as product, and the two numbers that we are multiplying are known as factor of that product. For example, here I am giving you one example. So my example is that, suppose I am writing here 5 multiplied by 6. So 5 multiplied by 6, 5 6 are 30. Okay, 5 6 are 30. So this 30 is known as product. Okay, but in this we have no use of product. So this 30 is known as product, and this 5 and 6 are factors of 30. This 5 and 6 are the factors of 30. Okay, another example I am writing. Suppose I am writing here 3 multiplied by 10 is again 30. Okay, so in this 3 and 10, 3 and 10 are factors of 30. Okay, in this 3 and 10 are the factors of 30. Okay, now I will solve one question so that you will understand more clearly how to find the factors and how to find the common factors. Okay, so suppose I am writing here one question. I am finding the factor of 24. Factor of 24. So there is one more thing is there, that 1 is a factor of every number, because 1 divides all the number. So 1 is a factor of every number, and the number itself is a factor of every number. Okay, 1 is a factor of every number, and the number itself also is a factor of every number. Okay, for example, factor of 24. So first step is 1 multiplied by 24 is equals to 24. Okay, we have to write the numbers, we have to write the tables in which 24 comes, occurs. So in table of 1, 24 will come. In table of 2 also 24 will come. 12 2s are 24. So we can write 2 into 12 is again 24. So in table of 3 also 24 comes. 3 8s are 24. Okay. In table of 4 also 24 comes. 4 6 are 24. In table of 5, no. Table of 6, that we have written 4 into 6 is 24, and 6 into 4 is again 24. No need to write 2 times. Any other number in which 24 comes? No, that all we have written. So what are the factors of 24? The factors will be, we will write in this way: 1, write the number this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, then start writing from here: 6, 8, 12, and last is 24. Okay, so these are the factors of 24. Okay, so if again one question I am solving here. Here I am writing the factors of 12. Okay, the factors of 12. So the same manner that we find the factor of 24, we find the factor of 12. So our first step is 1 into 12 is equals to 12. In table of 2 also 12 is there. So 2 into 6 is equals to 12. In table of 3 also 12 is there. So 3 4s are 12. Again in table of 4 what we have written 6. No other number. So what are the factors of 12 here? The factors of 12 will be, what are the factors? Same manner. We write 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 4, 6 and 12. Okay. So what we have noticed here, that 1 is here and 1 is here also. That means 1 is a factor of all the number, and the number itself, that here we found the factor of 24. So 24 is also here. Here we will find factor of 12. So 12 is also there. So the number itself is a factor of itself. The number itself is a factor of itself. That means all numbers have at least two factors. All numbers have at least two factors. One is 1 and second is the number itself. Okay. Now in this question, multiples question, we find the common multiple. In the same way, in factor also we will find the common factor. Okay. So we will find the common factor between 24 and 12. So these are the factor of 24 and these are the factors of 12. So what are the common factors of 12 and 24? 1 is there, 1 is there. Then 2, here 2 is there, again 2 is here. 3 is here, again 3 is here. Then 4 is here, then again 4 is here. 6 is here, then again 6 is here. 12 is here, then again 12 is here. So there are so many common factors in 12 and 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. All these numbers are the common factors of 12 and 24. Okay. Now have you understood the multiples and factors? Okay. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Keep watching my video and thank you.